welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make own rain sensor, rain detector basically. So this is a PCB on which we have two terminals. Basically this PCB is working as a rain sensor, rain detector. Whenever rain or some water passes from this, some conductivity is done through these terminals, and from it will powered from a 9-volt battery. And after that, this is a piezoelectric buzzer which will generate some sound when some water is detected here. So let's demonstrate it. So currently our buzzer is not making some sound. This is some water. When we put some water on this, this buzzer will generate sound like this. Means the rain is detected and a buzzer will generate sound. And when the rain goes back and this sensor is removed from water, as you can see, the buzzer is stopped generating the sound like this. So like this you can make own rain detector at your home also, on the large scale also. With the help of this PCB we will make the sensor, and this will tell us that outside it is raining or not. And this is the power source, basically 9 volt lead acid battery. Okay, thank you very much. Do like our video.